Woo, woo. Hey guys, welcome back. I look like a hot mess, I know. This is a great intro. So today I am going to get ready with you. Why I look like this is because I was sick for the past 3 days. I haven't worn any makeup at all. And this is me. We're just gonna do a get ready with me. If you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please do take a quick moment to do so. I'd love to have you on here. If you do like the video, don't forget at the end to give it a thumbs up. Do leave a comment on there if you like it. And let's jump right into this. So I'm just gonna be trying out some new stuff that I got. I'm gonna be priming my eyes with the Boing Benefit Cakeless concealer. By the way, I love this concealer. This is honestly like probably my second fave from the Tarte Shape Tape. And look at this packaging, isn't it so cute? It's like a little pencil. I love it. So pretty. Let's go ahead and try the 3503 Fierce by Nature palette from Morphe. Check out the beautiful packaging. So check this out, this palette, how pretty. For my crease, I'm gonna start off with this gorgeous mustardy color here. It's like a gorgeous orangey color. Let's get rid of this dog hair first on my brush. Alrighty, let's go right in. Alright, nice pigmentation. You know, with Morphe palettes, it's usually a hit or miss. There's some really good ones, and then there's some really bad ones. It's a very nice, pretty color. It's very bright orange. Start blending in that. I always say I'm never gonna bring the color up high, and I always end up doing that. Right back in. I mean, I'm not trying to do a dramatic eye look. I'm just trying to test out these beautiful colors and see how they perform. I'm doing this color just right in the crease area, just underneath what we just blended with a just smaller, more precise brush. So much brushes here. Must have been through about 1,000,000 girls. So this brush that needs to be desperately cleaned. I haven't cleaned my brushes in forever. And let's dig into that deep orange. See what's up. And we're gonna go start from the outer. Ooh. Blending that right into the middle. Nice. That color laid down very nicely. Sometimes the colors are so creamy that they have like the pigmentation is like really hardcore. So you got to be super careful. Going just back into the first color at the very top of that. Bringing the color inwards. With a smaller, precise brush, I'm gonna just put a nice chocolatey brown at the very outer corners. Use this bricky color here. See how that turns out. I kind of wanted a chocolate one, but let's see. If it turns out bad, it turns out bad. Let's go out from the outer. We're gonna keep this right at the very outer corner of the eyeball. Lightly just bring it inward. Let's use a more precise brush. Let's use this one. This is a Jaclyn Hill JH37. Let's just keep to that same chocolatey color. I don't like to mix too many colors together. Let's just go right at the outer. Ooh, this is very pretty. This is very precise. If you really want to get in there, get precise, do it with this. I'm just gonna go back in one more time to that first gold color and just apply it with like a fluffy brush, just so it could stay with the transition. Just bring that right around. Yep, I am bringing it up high. I'm doing that again. Bring that color way up high. Very nice. So I am obsessing over using this glitter beautiful, this glitter coppery color here, and I'm gonna apply that with my fingers. I feel like maybe the finger would work best. So we're about to find out. Ooh, this is chunky as hell. Okay, this is very dry. Like the glitter, I'm gonna try to make it work. I mean, it's not too bad. It's not terrible. Yeah, definitely better to use these pressed glitters with your finger, because if you use a brush, it'll just be a hot chunky mess. You want to press down on it. I'm gonna bring that glitter, like I want it all across my lid. I wish I had like a tiny little, like a smaller finger that could just come out, just like a little mini brush. That's freaking weird. Okay, let's do that. Just gotta take your time with it. I think this is glittery enough. Looking better. Right around. One more time with that glitter. just so I don't lose any of that. Right back in. Yeah, and I think we're done with the eyes. We're over the eyes already. Feel like a Halloween sensation going on up. All right, I'm gonna go clean up under my eyes, get started on foundation, and let's get to it. All right, I've cleaned up under my eyes now. Let's just do some quick foundation and just finish up the rest of my face. I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible 20-hour Freshwear. This is the new bottle that I just purchased again. For concealer, I'm going to use one of my favorite concealers at the moment. It's the Benefit Boing Cakeless Concealer. Looks like a little cute pencil. Dries down matte, but it's not like super thick. I think that the Tarte Shape Tape is definitely more matte than this, but I really like this one a lot. Go down the bridge of my nose. Okay, I'm gonna set that with the translucent setting powder from Laura Mercier. I'm gonna set my under eye with that. Oh, the setting powder is so pretty. It's like perfection. I'm gonna set the rest of my face with that same powder. Go right around. See? Softness. See? Look at this. It's like a veil. It's so pretty. And it's not too drying, you know? Right around. For bronzer, I'm going to use the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. This coconut, nice eyeliner smelling bronzer. I'm going to be a little careful with it. Last time I did, it looked like I punched myself in the side cheek. Round, carve out everything. It's beautiful bronzer, right? Isn't it obsessing? Oh, look at that. Little nose contour. Eyebrows next. I'm gonna fast forward through that because it takes forever to do eyebrows, so let's get to it. Then my eyebrows are done. I am going to go back into the Morphe Fierce palette, and then I'm gonna just apply this color to my lower lash line, and I'll probably just do this hot orange color here just right underneath that so it can mimic the same look that I have on the top of my eyes. Just use that right here. I'm gonna bring it in like halfway, a little bit more than halfway. Oh, this brush is like so pointy. It feels like I'm gonna like burst out my eye with this. Pointy. This is like dangerous actually. Could cut somebody's eyeball with that. I'm gonna use the Morphe one. So this is a little softer. There we go, softer, thank you. Just bring that color in. I'm gonna make sure it blends right in. With the same little Jaclyn Hill brush, it's very fluffy, it's very nice. I'm gonna use that orange color that I initially used at the top, and I'm just gonna kind of like slowly bring it down. Just kind of fluff this all out. Very pretty. I like doing this little technique of using a little bit more of a rounder brush. It gets really of the blown out look to be at the bottom. Bring that downward. And I am blending that up a little bit here. More down. Okay. I don't want to be too precise with all this because I'm just going to Sephora next. So for blush, what am I going to be using? This color right here, Partaaay from Tarte. I raved so much about this. I'm about to show you what it does. Look at this. Tell me that it's not such a beautiful color. So natural, it just blends so seamlessly into the skin. Oof, it's just so beautiful. I love the Tarte blushes. They are so nice. Amazonian clay, I don't know, the way that they're made, the formula, so pretty. Like on a consistency between like a little creamy-ish, like a powder creamy. It's really weird. I'm gonna bring this a little bit slightly more to the apples of my cheek. And with the same Jaclyn Hill palette here, this is a face palette from Becca and Jaclyn Hill from like ages ago. I'm gonna use, mix these two highlights together. This one's Prosecco and this one's Champagne Pop. Mix those two together. Go right at the top of my cheekbones here. Bring it right around. Cupid's bow, tip of my nose. Gotta look like a little jingle bell ball. I'm gonna go right here. You know, it's very pretty. Real cute. So all I'm gonna do is just do my waterline and blend that out a little bit. The Wet n Wild, what's left of this tiny little pencil. I refuse to buy one until it's completely gone. I'm gonna drag that all the way in. All right. With the MAC Precise, like, I don't know what we're gonna call this. It's like a killer pencil brush. We're gonna just go right in and just kind of blend that out a little bit. Bring that black a little down. You know what I mean? Bring it down just a little bit, not too much. You still want to show the brown and the effect of the orange. And then for mascara, my usual Lash Paradise. What else is new? Let's fast forward. All right, for lips, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in the color Dazed Liquid Lipstick. Oh, this goes perfectly with this. Oh my God, this color is beautiful. Okay, so far I loved everything. I like this palette. So far the colors that I use are very, very nice and creamy. Morphe has obviously a wide range of palettes, and not every of their palette has like the best formula. There's only a few palettes, like the Jaclyn Hill palette that I have. I know the James Charles one is really nice too. I don't have that one, but I did swatch it at the store. That one looks good. And this one so far, formula, they're very creamy, they're very nice, they're beautiful. The color selection is amazing. This is just like, it's a little hard to get used to this kind of formula. I don't know. I mean, I think it's very pretty. It's very nice. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. It would mean so much to me. And I will see you next time. Bye.